Fridays, welcome back to WOWParts channels. Today we're going to show you two outdoors products. First is the waterproof map. So if you guys go to the beach, go picnic or camping, don't you think it's hard to find a clean spot for you to lie down, take a rest, or just put your food, drink, or clothes on? So here the waterproof map could create a clean spot for you on the beach or on the grounds. Okay, you see here the waterproof map could storage in a small bag, so it's very easy to carry. Let me show you the map. It's about 2 meters times 1.5 meter. I think it's good enough for a family. Okay. Let me lie down. Okay. The material is quite comfortable. Alright. If now there's a pillow, that would be great, right? Okay. So here we have a pillow which could help you rest or sleep better. You see, it only takes one little space in your bag, so it's very easy to carry. Alright, so when you use it, just blow the air with your mouth or with a pump. Okay. Alright, yeah, just blow the air with your mouth or with the pump. Okay, so we already have one. That is done. Okay, look at this. It's quite soft and comfort. Alright, I think that is cool. Okay, this is the summer set we have for you. Hopefully you like it, and we will have more products coming up next week. See you guys next Friday. Bye.